Hey guys, in this video I want to tell you what my 39th item is. I actually don't have to go anywhere or zoom in or do anything. It's right there, right in front of you. My 39th item is the grill. Yeah, I got this replacement grill actually off of Facebook Marketplace, so I don't have the, like a poster of the sale or anything. I got it for a good deal. I choose this grill because it's not really that angry. It just has that personality, but not the angry face look. I didn't really want to go for that, so I went with this type of grill. Ignore the eyes. It wasn't part of the grill, but as you can see, the grill itself right there. All right guys, thanks for joining me. Till next time, peace.